fridge.
Fuck, did you steal a microwave?
Apparently it's a $500 microwave.
Are we not counting that they're about to bring another one of these in here? Like, where are they gonna put another one?
Hey, we got fries, y'all.
How the fuck did this fit through the door?
Well, actually, how did I get this?
That's chicken. Oh, chicken, my bad.
Wait, what y'all eating though?
Yeah.
Niggas having a picnic with
We're
no
not
food?
getting expelled.
Wait, we going to the pool party later?
Yeah, are y'all going to the pool party?
It's starting in 5 minutes. I don't know where it's
We got
at.
the party here, brother.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
We got movers. We got movers.